Hey guys, it's me Elena, and that eventually happened. I resisted it for a while, but eventually got one of SugarCups dolls Biscuitina. She's the newest 1/12 line of the Azone dolls. Do you own any of the previously released SugarCups dolls? Let me know in the comments down below. Her box is a new design. It's completely closed and the doll inside is supposed to be naked. They did it specifically to avoid color transfer while the doll is stored in the box. I kinda like this idea and I like the feel of completely cardboard box, not the plastic. However, they still put this box inside a plastic bag. The box is so tiny compared to the bigger dolls. I was surprised how small it is. On the front of the box is a picture of the doll full height. Box itself is pink and has star decorations. On the bottom it's noted that this doll is limited to the Azone store. There is also the SugarCups logo, Azone logo, name of the doll and name of the release, Star Sprinkles. It is a collaboration with the Execute Star Sprinkles line. She is even wearing the same dress as Chica. I bet they would look cute next to each other. I ordered one of the Chicas too, so don't forget to subscribe so as not to miss her unboxing on my channel. On one of the side there is another portrait of Biscuitina, and I also noticed a little bunny cookie decoration on the top of the box. On the other side there is a drawing of the doll, which looks very similar to the doll herself. I wonder which came first, because if the drawing did, then they did a good job transforming it into a doll. On the back there is a tiny photo of the doll, set contents and a little story. It says that above the cotton candy cloud there is a Star Sprinkles wonderland. Biscuitina followed the scent of star cookies made from a sugar powder and came to play. Here is also noted that this doll is for people 15 years old and up, and her price was 17,000 yen before taxes at the day of the release. Her bunny ears headband has a simple white plastic base to which ears and bow are attached. The ears are long, made of a white fur, and on the front have a soft pink fabric. On the very top the headband has a big pink shiny double bow with laces on edges and on the middle of the top bow. Cuffs such as cream laces sewn together and decorated with pink bow. Her dress is so tiny, it's so unusual to hold something that small in my hands. Overall, it's made from a white and mint striped fabric. On the front it has a pink bow with a tiny golden button, which is in the shape of a bunny head. Isn't it cute? Down from it goes a little cream color lace with 4 golden beads decorating it. Around the shoulder, the dress has white winged laces. The sleeves are bell-shaped and made from a cream net fabric. On the end they have elastic strings and laces. On the front near the waist and on the skirt there are even more pink ribbons. The skirt has 3 parts. The top cream net part with lacing on the edge and the main part with 2 rows of ruffles, the first of which are also pink. It also has a pink ribbon going all around the skirt. The last part is a net double underskirt. It is made from a more rough fabric and also has laces which are peeking out from underneath the main skirt. Behind the dress is a big fluffy round bunny tail. It fastens behind with white velcro. Look at those tiny short socks! They are semi-transparent and have cream laces and little pink bows. Her little shoes are white and made from a faux leather. Imitating laces, there is a pink bow with the same golden bunny buttons. They have a little heel. The sole is plastic white and has an Azone logo and left and right letter indicators. Her white pantaloons are fairly simple. They have a string on the waist and knee areas. Ooh, even more skirts! This one is white with hard triple layered net. It fastens behind with white velcro. With the doll came a few additional hands, with a victory symbol, hands to hold something, fist hands, horn sign gesture and pointing gesture. I love her little biscuit pendant. She is Biscuitina after all. It is metallic and of a gold color. It is made to be of a biscuit shape with biscuit text on it. To it attach a golden chain with a clasp. The chain has another tiny pendant, a pink star. It is fixed on one place. Finally, it's time to look at the little precious lady. She has long hair which consists of light pink and silver strands. She has uneven bangs with longer locks on the sides. You can easily change her hair by replacing the head cap. The one thing I didn't like about this cap is that it easily spins while attached to the head. So don't forget to check that your doll's hair is placed correctly. Behind the hair separated into two wavy tails with some transparent elastics. Underneath, her head is painted light pink. I will be honest with you, her eyes are what stunned me when I first saw her. They are inserted eyes and can be replaced by yourself. They are of a beautiful turquoise color and very shiny but without visible sparkles. You can see inside them even little white heart flares. Her face-up has brown eyelashes and eyebrows. On cheeks there is a gentle pink blush. Her mouth is smiling and you can't just look at her face without smiling back. Her head looks more white than the body, but it's not very visible with the face-up and clothes on. I was very impressed with her very flexible tiny body. Everything feels very sturdy and I feel comfortable taking her places without being afraid to lose hands or feet. It looks very similar to the Pico Neemo S body, which has my 112 Chica. It doesn't have an extra joint in the chest and overall looks more chubby. On the bottom of the box we can find some booklets. First one is simple card with a big picture of the Biscuitina on the front and illustrated set contents on the back. On the bottom there is a QR code which leads to the doll maintenance guide. Another is a black and white instructions containing details about the Pico Neemo P body. Its care and joints information. Head is attached in a similar way to the Ibiza body. Another one is well illustrated dressing up instructions. At some point we will need to remove her hands to put on the dress and cuffs. There is also an illustration of another version of Biscuitina which soon will be on a limited sale too. I'm gonna skip her as she looks too similar to this Biscuitina. On the other side there is information about the eyes. They are 8 mm and you can move them a bit to change the eye direction using hands or some kind of pliers. Another kind of the eyes can be moved with any thin object like a screwdriver. There is also information about removing the cap. In my experience it's not attached very tight, so you shouldn't have any problems with that. I think SugarCups are so cute it even hurts. However, their price is higher than the price of X-Cute or Alva Stereo dolls, which was stopping me from getting them before. The 112 size was another reason, as I prefer bigger dolls. I think this little cutie can be perfect for trail or be just your desk buddy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Love dolls and Kon-Kon!